going to kill Shahid Kapoor. Because we could have done the song anywhere. It was a dream sequence. We could have done it in Europe. We could have done it in Switzerland. We could have done it anywhere else. But he decided to do it in Film City in this crazy Bombay heat when we were melting and baking and roasting and God alone knows what else. You could have basically put barbecue sauce on me and roasted me.
See, this has nothing to do with me. It has to do with Raj Santoshi sir and Ramesh Taurani ji, who are the producer and the director of the film.
अभी ये फिल्म सिटी लगेगी नहीं पिक्चर में. सो इट इज नॉट द लोकेशन फिल्म सिटी, इट इज जस्ट द एरिया प्लेस.
तुम मेरे अगल बगल है, तेरे अगल बगल हूँ, तुम मेरे अगल बगल है, तेरे अगल बगल हूँ.
While we were in Cape Town, we were planning to shoot 3 songs. Then once we heard the song, Bosco, our choreographer, felt that this song should not be shot in South Africa. It should be Desi. It should be shot in Mumbai itself.
Pritam should be blamed because the song that he's given can't be set up in Europe or can't be set up in any part of the world except Mumbai.
खाली पिली रोकने का नहीं, तेरा पीछा करूं तो टोकने का नहीं. तुम मेरे अगल बगल है, मैं तेरे अगल बगल.
गाने के स्टार तो शाहिद इलियाना ही है. तो बिकॉज शी इज़ फ्रॉम हाई सोसाइटी की लड़की रखा है, तो ये गाने में कल्पेंट रखा है कि शी इज़ कैरिंग पेट डॉग. तो वो भौंकता है तो हीरो कहता है कि भाई मेरा हक है, मैं तेरा पीछा करूँगा और तेरे डॉगी को बोल दो भौंकने का नहीं मेरे पे.
सच्चा आशिक हूँ, मुझको ठोकने का नहीं, तेरे डॉगी को मुझ पे भौंकने का नहीं.
When they told me that there's a doggy song, I was like, what kind of song is this? Why is it called a doggy song? And when I heard it, I thought it was unbelievably mad. It was crazy.
Pritam has this dog fetish. Somewhere down the line he feels he's missed one.
I think all men have a little doggy inside them.
Doggy.
तेरे डॉगी को मुझ पे भौंकने का नहीं.
That's the move. No, it's a fun song. I think it's a very fresh kind of song and I've really enjoyed doing it. So the little doggy in me has also participated, I guess.
तेरे डॉगी को मुझ पे भौंकने का नहीं.
For a tiny dog, he was really feisty. He was hyper. He just kept jumping out of my hands. And yeah, he kept biting me in the process because he had to bark at Shahid. But pretty good actor, huh? He got it right in one take.
आजा प्यार की होड़ी.
Deal बोले तो?
The song is a very tapori song. It's a fun song. It's a raita song.
दोनों डील कर सील, आँखों से हो एग्रीमेंट.
So I really like the look of the song. I like the way that he's conceived it, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun.
और हजरतों के कोर्ट में ये दिल का जज कहे, ऑर्डर ऑर्डर. खाली बिली रोकने का नहीं, तेरा पीछा करूं तो टोकने का नहीं.
We have totally created a food bazaar, a food festival kind of thing.
We put some very interesting sets in Mumbai, like a Dhobi Ghat, a church, a beach.
Quite expensive song it is, yeah.
तुम मेरे अगल बगल है, तेरे अगल बगल हूँ, तुम मेरे अगल बगल है, तेरे अगल बगल.
This is Kunal Rawal, and this is his idea of being loud, filmy, and in your face. I'm really enjoying wearing these kind of clothes. I've not done something like this in a movie before, so it's new and it's different for me, and yeah, I'm having fun.
तुम मेरे अगल बगल है, तेरे अगल बगल हूँ,